And that is one crazy porcupine, isn't it, John? Now with the weather, Mayor Sharp. Mayor.
Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, in northwest Indiana, there's a big storm brewing, and the swirling winds from the autumn breeze are causing the winds to push somehow backwards, causing the lake effect to freeze over, which means, that's right folks, we'll have flurries. All across the Midwestern plains, as a matter of fact, all the way up to Minnesota, you see the storms swirling out easterly, and that's going to cause some wave fronts to be pushed up towards the northeast. Now, as far as the hurricane that's going on in Southwest America, it's a tragedy and it's devastating. Hurricane Pink is just flying through the Southwest and going out towards the Gulf of Mexico, and it's creating some real problems. But as you look back home, back in the neighborhood, on the lake, it's 45 out to O'Hare, 47 in Palatine. It's believe it or not 35 degrees. Out towards Chicago though, we're feeling a brisk 52. And now going out west, the forest fires over there are creating some real turbulence on the Pacific. And as you see all out over here on the coast of California, there's going to be horrible dry Santa Anita winds just pushing their way onto the forest fires, and that's not going to help them get out of trouble anytime soon. Now, if you look at Sharp 7-day, you have Tuesday, it's going to be a brisk 52. Out Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it should stay a little under 50, but it'll stay over 45. Don't worry, folks. It'll be brisk, but it won't be that brisk. Going out to Friday, it's going to be going out to Friday and into Saturday. It's going to be a lovely weekend for the Aaron Waters show. It's going to be a real nice weekend. It's going to go up to 62 as we have some rear humidity coming in from the forest fires out in California. Going back out Monday, it's going to be flurries, partial sunshine, and back into Tuesday, it should get nice again, heading out towards the mid-50s to lower 60s.
So we're looking at some, we're going to have to put our coats on, aren't we, John? All right. No,